Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the reader and confirming a steady network or power LED. This avoids connectivity delays. Once done, log in as admin and choose Enroll. You must clean the sensor and the subject's finger to remove oil and debris so captures are consistent. Now enter the user ID and pick 3 templates per finger. You choose more templates to improve match rates. Place the finger firmly at the indicated angle and hold for the on-screen capture prompt. You proceed by capturing multiple impressions to build a robust template. Vary angle and pressure slightly so the algorithm learns ridge variations. Make sure the on-screen quality score reaches the device's recommended threshold, typically around 70%. Lower scores trigger immediate rescan. If images are still weak, modify sensor brightness or contrast in settings and retry. Once you have consistent high-quality captures, save the template. Then let the system sync to the server or local DB, so matches will work across terminals. You finish by immediately verifying the new template with 1 or 2 authentication attempts to confirm reliability. Then assign the correct access level or role and perform a secure backup of templates to the system's repository or encrypted export. Make sure to log out of admin mode and document the enrollment. If authentication fails repeatedly, clean the sensor, re-enroll the finger with adjusted pressure or angle, and verify firmware and network connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.